Sometimes I feel bad for the teacher. They're just trying to teach a lesson, and a student at the back starts making the most obnoxious, devious, sneezing sound. Like whatever you just imagined right now. I don't even know if he was doing it on purpose or if it was his actual sneeze. I know the teacher was thinking the same thing because they kept pausing and then continuing teaching. Like if they say stop and that's his actual sneeze, then that's pretty rude. But if it isn't, and the kid leveraged that dilemma by continuing. It was so loud, I bet the other classes even heard it.